Happy New Year, my trading friends. Today is Monday, January 4th, 2020, and I have a trade for you today. But of course, I wanted to start off by wishing you that Happy New Year. And, we all could use a little bit of extra luck, I think, in 2021. So you're seeing down over there that it's January 2021. You also noticed that my face looks really dark. So I've been moving things around in my studio. So obviously you're going to need some lighting fixed. So I have definitely got some plans. So in the meantime, just suffer with me. I'm really, not on camera much. And I put myself really small down in the corner when we move into our platform, which we're going to do shortly, but I always start off with this trade overview. So we're going to be looking at US Steel today, which has a liquidity rank of 4 out of 4. Its IV rank is 17 right now, and we have earnings coming up in early February. And, with that, I think normally people think, okay, well, we're at a low IV rank and earnings are coming up. It's a great debit spread. But I don't know about you, I'm tired of the debit spreads. And when we pop in there, if we get time, and I'm a little late today, we'll take a look at some of the positions that I fell asleep at the wheel over Christmas break, and they turned into some positions. Yeah, they were exercised. So anyway, let's hop on into ThinkOrSwim, where we're going to do our paper trade for today. But of course, let me introduce myself. My name is Neil, and this is Option Theory. I want to thank you so much for watching today, for clicking on that video. For my longtime subscribers, I want to thank you so much for continuing to join us. And for the new people, we've had quite a few of you join us over the holiday break, and I want to welcome you, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Your likes and your subscriptions are really confidence inspiring. So thank you. It's a nice boost. So on screen here, let me pull up our monitor tab here. You can see I ended up being long 100 shares of Target and short 100 shares of homebuyers. And the market's looking pretty green right now, which means that this could feel some pain. That's not what we're here to cover today, but I wanted you to see that, and I'm curious if any of you ended up with these positions being exercised on you as well. Is what it is. All right. So for now, I will deal with that later. Now we're going to head over to the Analyze tab, put an X in your ticker box, and I keep forgetting that you can't see my pointer. Now you can. There it is. Put X up here in your ticker box. And if you wanted to, you could look at the chart here. I am in real life actually long shares of US Steel here. And unfortunately, I bought it back here. So if we could go back in time, you'd see that it was way up here and then it dipped. And then so I think I sold a 13 call when it was down here. And yeah, boy, did it jump right through it. And so I've been rolling that call in hopes that it would come down below 13. But what I want to do now is take a position in our paper trade account at that 13. I want to take a high probability trade finally, even though we're heading towards expiration, and it's okay if we either make the profit or I'm long shares of steel again, and I'm okay with that. Maybe we could make it metals on Monday. So let's go back to the Analyze tab. We're looking at 13. By the way, we're in the February monthly with 46 days to expiration. There's plenty of open interest, high liquidity, only 2-cent wide bid-ask spread here. So I could click this, dial in a 41, and hope for the best here. We know the probability is going to be high on this one. Let me just switch over real fast to Tastyworks. Here is the same trade built out, and you can see that we are looking at, and there's that call, there's that call right there that I'm short. Yeah. So anyway, we are looking at a 91% P50. That's pretty awesome, and a probability of profit of 84%. Now I'm not quite sure if that has anything to do with it. So let's see if I can remove this guy here. Does that affect it? No. Nope. All right. So let's hope that those probabilities are right. But let's go back, of course, to our ThinkOrSwim and take a look at our probabilities there. By the way, I've got one contract down here for the February 19th, 2021 13 put, looking to collect 41 cents. What does ThinkOrSwim say our probabilities are? Let's dial in their expiration here of 2/20. And then let's drag this guy so the expected moves to the left and shrink it on the right so it fits. Now we can go ahead and set our price slices to break even. And we're looking at that 82%, 83 if you want to round up, probability of profit. So we know we're looking at pretty good probabilities of making, 20 bucks in running. But honestly, with this one, I do intend to hold and see what happens with this one. I'll either make all the profit or I'm going to end up going long. So I wonder what you think about this trade. I'm going to right-click this trade, choose confirm and send. It review our max profit of 41, although you could have a high probability of, it looks like 90% of taking $20 off the table and running. And that's, I can appreciate doing that. Or we could lose $1,259 if US Steel goes out of business. All right, so I'm going to hit send. That's going to put that into my working orders. And let's see what happens here. You could do, now that we're short 100 shares, you could do covered puts, right? That's fine. That might be something interesting to try. Maybe we'll do that. Let's see what is a put going for in this one here. And we're looking at XHB. A little bonus here. XHB, and we're looking at puts. Yeah, so we could sell that for $1.70 and make a profit. Oh, maybe this one. A little more there. So I don't want to buy it. I'd like to sell that since I'm short it. All right, now if we take a quick look at that and go to the risk profile, all right, boom, then we would cap out our profit on that one. Kind of interesting. I don't mind that. See what happens. But you might, with this situation being short, and I'm not a big fan of that, we could we do a little collar here? Let's see. $1.35, and then cap that there where we buy that one. Hang on. Getting a little interesting here. See? Something to play with. I'll do this maybe tomorrow. We'll see what happens. All right, everybody. If you made it this far into my video, I give you your thumbs up. Thank you so much. I do appreciate that you watched this far into the video. If you feel I've earned one, would you mind hitting that little thumbs up that's down there below there? And if you haven't yet subscribed, that's okay. We'll be here. We're going to continue to go on 2021 and moving. I'm wondering if you guys would be interested in resetting your accounts, or do you think we should just keep going? Leave me a comment below, your thoughts on that one, and I'm sure I'll ask again tomorrow. I'm just in a little bit of a rush, so I got to rock. All right, everybody, I'll see you tomorrow and tomorrow's cherry bomb trade. Until then, happy trading.